Hello friends, today let's make very simple yet tasty ethnic recipe, chicken with black lentils or black dal. It's a gluten-free, healthy and very delicious.
HTC fun and food.
Let's get started. Here I've got a pre-soaked black lentils which I've soaked for about 2 hours now. In order to remove the cover, let's rub the lentils in between hands. And we'll continue draining out the unwanted water along with the peel-off skin. You might need to wash 4 or 5 times at least. And we'll continue washing until it's clean. And removing the cover is optional, but make sure that you wash properly. Now it's clean, and I will now transfer it into a pressure cooker, and we'll add a hot water. Let's close the lid and let it whistle for 3 times at least in a high flame. For our today's recipe, you can see here that all the ingredients we are going to use are mostly local and organic. Now, let's add mustard oil in a preheat pan. Heat the oil for a few minutes until the raw smell of mustard goes away. We'll now add chopped onions. Stir well. Let's add a cardamom, 3 pieces of cardamom and 3 pieces of cloves, and we'll continue stirring well till the onion gets golden brown. We can see here the change in color a bit. Now it's time to add our chicken. Let's combine it well. We'll now add a turmeric powder, yellow powder, and combine well. We'll now close the lid for about 5 minutes. And in the meantime, let's make ready our garlic, ginger and chili paste. I'm using a manual crusher here. We'll also add a black pepper and a cumin seeds. Let's crush them well. We'll continue crushing it until it gets finely smashed up, and this will add extra flavor to our today's dish. Now we can see it's in a perfect condition and fully smashed. Let's keep it aside for further use. It's 5 minutes past now. Let's open the lid and we'll add our ready paste which we just made. Let's stir and combine well. Let's keep the lid closed and let the chicken cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. And we have to go on checking time to time so as not to let it burn. After 20 minutes, our chicken is almost cooked. We'll now add our pre-cooked lentils. Let's mix and combine well. Now it's a perfect time to add water. I'm adding here a normal water, and if you want to, you can use a hot water too. Now let's add edible soda, and this is in liquid form and is purely homemade. If you want to, you can also use a powder one. Let's mix well and close the lid. And you have to keep an eye in order to prevent overflow after adding soda. Stir well, not to let it burn at the bottom. And if your curry is too thick, you can also add more water. Now we'll add salt for taste. Stir well a bit. And to add more flavor, I'm adding here a finely chopped green Thai coriander leaves. And this combination goes really well with the lentils and chicken. Stir well for about 2 minutes in a medium flame. And then your recipe is ready to serve. You can enjoy this recipe for your lunch or for your dinner. Hope you like today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.